Okay, let's go.
Hopefully by now you've had a chance to extend that training offer to friends and family and to former clients. Now I want to teach you how to use the WIN program as your centerpiece to start conversations and to extend opportunities for people to be able to just find out how much they need. This is a great way to start conversations. It's not the only way, but it's a great tool. It's a simple tool you can use over and over again. As part of this effort, I want to make sure that you're choosing to be able to also make your new career more visible on social media. So I use LinkedIn and I post on LinkedIn at least twice every week. And when I can, 3 times a week. But you might choose TikTok. We've had many agents who have success on TikTok, Instagram, X, Facebook, or all of them. But the goal is for you to start sharing content about financial services. Now, listen, some people will focus on retirement and annuities. I have one agent who's only talking about how to get out of debt. The primary purpose of you sharing on social is to begin to establish yourself as an expert when it comes to financial questions and financial matters. So people will want to reach out and ask questions to you. Now, one thing you'll find is sometimes it's hard to be able to figure out exactly what to post. I use ChatGPT often and have a conversation with them about some topics that might be helpful. I also use the ChatGPT, annuity.com compliance ChatGPT to run any of my posts through compliance and make sure I'm not saying anything that would not be legal in my post. So use that GPT to be able to help you after you've determined content. If you wonder what to post, if you're worried about what to post, go and find my LinkedIn posts and forward them, or find others that you respect and forward their content. Forwarding other people's content on a regular basis is actually a great way for you to be an opinion leader. Now, once you've started to establish yourself as an expert in this area, then I want you to start to learn how to invite others to find out what their retirement number will be. And to simply learn how to ask people often if what their one concern is when they think about their retirement finances. This is something to learn to weave into your conversations. People are going to ask you what you do, and you can say, I work with annuity.com. I'm a retirement planning expert. And they're going to ask you some questions about that. And when they do, you say, there's a lot of interesting information, but I have a question for you. What I find is that most people don't know where to start. When you think about your finances, what are you thinking about? And they're going to say, how much do I need? And you're going to say, right. And we have a really simple tool. It's really free. It's free and it's very easy to use. Can I send you a link to it and let you just figure out how much you need? If you're interested in talking after, great. If not, no worries. Your concern is not how many people you're meeting with, it's how many people you're sharing the link with. And that link is going to be one of two links. If you're not a Lead Pro subscriber, which many new agents aren't, you're going to share www.win.app. It's win.app. If you are a Lead Pro subscriber, you're going to actually send them to your annuity.com website. So mine is brettblake.annuity.com. I want to encourage you to set a goal to actually invite 2 people every day to the WIN, to take the WIN survey. And you need to be creative. At night, if it's 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock at night, 10 o'clock at night, you haven't invited somebody, you're going to go through your phone and you're going to send a text message. The language to use and suggestions of how to do this are all part of the 2 wins a day program. That PDF is available to you, and hopefully you downloaded it when you entered this community. If not, go to the resource section of your dashboard and download the 2 wins a day program. Follow that program, report back in the community, and find out how many opportunities you'll have to be able to have a success. Now, listen, this can be very powerful. We think that you're going to be able to, if you'll do two a day, you're going to be able to set two appointments at least a week, or at least have two conversations. If you can actually have two or four a month, that has the opportunity to help you produce actually millions of dollars worth of annuities throughout the years. It's not a mass text. Don't send a mass text. Don't send a mass email. Learn to have one-on-one conversations when you're out and about. Learn how to send one or two a day and to follow up with those one or two a day. It's the consistency of doing this every day, two wins every day. If you'll get in that consistent habit, you'll be surprised at how well your business will start to grow and how many appointments you'll start to set. This is a cornerstone program for new agents. This is the bread and butter of what you'll be doing over the next few months as you begin to develop a cash flow from successful sales made by scheduling appointments with friends and family first, and then with new other people or casual acquaintances that you meet. I want to encourage you to take the time now to read Two Wins a Day program and to put it into action. I want you to report back in the community. You can do it. You're going to have great success with it. Good luck, and I'll be watching for your post.